Hey everybody, I'm Ben Rhodes. I drive the number 99 Carolina Nut Ford F-150 in the Gander Outdoors NASCAR Truck Series. We're up here with Ford Performance today, just kind of getting sideways and working on the car control. Well, it's just being comfortable being sideways, right? You don't want to be sideways at all on pavement, but we do have one race a year that we want to be sideways, and that's Eldora. So that's coming up here in 2 weeks, and Ford has gotten together with Team O'Neill to try to make us a little bit more comfortable being sideways, since we only do it one time a year. And so far so good. I think we're all catching on pretty quickly, and I'm hoping that by the time we unload at Eldora, we're going to be all the way up to speed.